Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to manage a marketing campaign with Zoho Project. First up, we'll create a new project. On the dashboard, hit the New Project button, fill out the necessary details, like the project name and description, and hit Create. Now, why is this important? It's because this is where you'll be managing all aspects of your marketing campaign, from tasks to deadlines. Now that we've done that, let's add some tasks. Click on Add New Task under the Tasks tab. Assign a task name, due date, and assignee, and hit Add. The reason we do this is to organize the work that needs to be done for the campaign and assign responsibilities to your team members. Next up, we'll set milestones. Go to the Milestones tab and click Add Milestone. This will be a key event or deadline in your campaign. Set a name and due date, then hit Create. This helps us because it allows you to track the progress of your campaign and ensures that major goals are met on time. Now, let's talk about tracking your campaign. Click on the Gantt chart tab. This shows your tasks and milestones in a timeline view, making it easy to see the overall progress of your campaign. Let me explain why this matters. It gives you a visual representation of your campaign timeline, enabling you to monitor progress and quickly identify any potential delays. Finally, we'll look at the Reports tab. Here, you can generate detailed reports about your campaign's progress and performance. Click New Report, select the data you want to include, and hit Generate. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is analyzing all your campaign data and compiling it into a comprehensive report, giving you insights that can help you make informed decisions about your campaign. And that's how you manage a marketing campaign with Zoho Project. Remember, the key is to plan, organize, track, and analyze your campaign effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.